Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions now. Sign into your Google account, open Google Pay Business, and create or verify your merchant profile so Google can link payments to your bank. Enter legal business name, bank details, and tax ID where asked. This avoids later holds. Once done, navigate to the merchant tools and locate the QR code or download kit area so you can generate assets without delay. You now generate and tailor the QR code kit. Select static for fixed payments or dynamic if you need per transaction metadata and receipts. Dynamic links support tracking and refunds. Customize visual options, logo placement, colors, and an optional default amount to match your storefront. Make sure to set the correct currency and test environment mode. After customization, download the high-resolution PNG and SVG versions, plus sample receipt and printing guidelines, so your designers and printers have what they need. You finish by deploying and verifying the kit in real conditions. Place the printed or digital QR in visible locations with adequate contrast and minimum size recommendations, then run several live test payments from different devices to confirm scanning, payment flow, and receipts. Check that payouts appear in your bank within expected timelines. If something fails, reopen your merchant profile, confirm verification and banking info, clear app cache, and resync. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.